in this video, we're going to have a look at how pfSense manages backups. So if we go to Diagnostics, Backup and Restore, all we need to do to take a backup of the configurations is to click on the green Download Configuration button. We can restore it by going to the Restore section, clicking Browse, finding that XML file that we just downloaded, and then clicking the Restore Configuration button. You would then need to reboot the pfSense to have those settings apply. You can also go to the Configuration History section and scroll down. You can see all the configuration changes that you've made when you've had to hit apply. For any of these, we can delete them. We could download the configuration at that time, just like a backup, or we could apply those settings right now. Again, it would be necessary to do a reboot for those settings to apply. Just keep in mind that the backup does not back up the firmware. So if you've done a firmware upgrade in the meantime, you should do that first and then do a restore. Thank you.